Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on Kraken and want to secure it on your Ledger Nano X, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, where crypto security is more important than ever. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make this transfer safely and efficiently. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Kraken account with XRP in it, a Ledger Nano X device that's fully updated, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or mobile. Double-check that your Ledger is connected and unlocked. Safety is key in the crypto world. Step 1. Open your Kraken account and navigate to the Withdrawal section. Log in securely, go to the Withdraw tab, and select XRP as the asset. You'll need to enter the recipient address, which comes from your Ledger. Step 2. On your Ledger Nano X, open the XRP app. Connect your device to Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section, and copy the XRP wallet address. This is crucial. Paste it carefully into Kraken to avoid any mistakes. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Back on Kraken, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Start with a small amount if you're new to this, just to test. Review the network fee. XRP uses the XRP Ledger network, so ensure it's set correctly for 2025 standards. Then, confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email, so keep an eye on that. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live app to see if the XRP has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick word of caution. Always verify addresses to prevent scams, and never share your seed phrase. If you're unsure, reach out to official support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.